Bring it back.
Hello, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Serenity.
And my name is Maya. It's an astounding day to be a Panther.
In sporting news, our girls basketball team will travel to Okeechobee today.
Varsity will play at 6 p.m. Good luck, Panthers.
An announcement for Mrs. Rock: auditions for the spring show Disney's High School Musical will take place on Wednesday, February 7th in the choir room.
Please join the Google Classroom code displayed on the screen for more information.
Students do not need to prepare anything for this audition. Please see Mrs. Rock if you have any questions.
Also, freshmen, thank you for the great trip to FIT yesterday. Thank you to everyone who helped make today a success. It was inspiring to hear the stories of overcoming obstacles.
Panthers, tomorrow, February 1st, our award-winning band will have a host concert at 7 p.m. Most of us only get to see them marching, so come out and see them in a formal setting tomorrow night at 7 p.m. here at Heritage.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!
We ate that.